Hey, what's going on? I'm Sam. Welcome to Light Eye, where we empower light ideas. Like taking a trip to the West Coast. You know, the best coast. Do you ever come up with a lighting design and just wish that somebody out there would build you exactly what it is you need, instead of having to sift through the available options? Well, I tell you what, let's go check out CALI Lighting and how they can help you solve that problem. Born in Orange County, California Accent Lighting is a lighting manufacturing business that's been dedicated to serving the lighting community no matter where they are or who they are. They've also been manufacturing LED products for over 20 years. CALI realizes that ready-made solutions are a convenient thing to have, but the best thing they can do is collaborate directly with a designer to come up with a solution and produce a product in as little as just 1 week to meet those tight deadlines too. Their commitment to getting people what they need comes first. And while it might limit what they can and cannot build at the end of the day, you can count on them to solve your problem if they give you a green light. Another tip of the hat to their service is their manufacturing process. The same building that the LED boards are populated on is also where it ships from, which allows them to keep a close eye on things with QC from the beginning all the way to the end, making sure the right thing ships to you. All of this essentially allows them to have everything ready on the shelf so that when your not so common spec comes in the window, they can still build it lickety-split. Let's take a quick look at one linear solution from the IllumeLEDs family that shows how this comes together. The ALS 210T. It looks simple, right? But what you can pack into this thing is actually quite a lot. You have 11 different color temperature options, which are all sitting there ready to be populated on a board. 8 different wattages, 6 different beam angles, plus a line of light. Not to mention, there's a variety of mounting options. If you need a custom bracket, they can help you design that too. Did I mention that they'll build this thing to the inch too, and still meet that seemingly unrealistic timeline? While this whole thing is a simple form factor, it's all made in America, and their vendors are actually locally sourced, sometimes just down the street, keeping that lead time and QC process dialed in. Let's take a quick trip down the PCH and see what this thing looks like installed. If you want to learn more about CALI Lighting, check them out at that link right there. Or if you just like lights and you want to learn more in general, do me a favor and hit that button and subscribe to Light Eye, and I'll send you my next light idea. See ya!